Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
Yes, good morning, friends. Good morning, everyone. Yes, today I want to talk about, I want to put out for this uwalia, Papa Uwalia and Destiny Ebagua. I bet make una help me invite Papa Uwalia. I don't know if he's awake now. Should be a 1 hour difference. Now European day. I don't even know if he's in Nigeria. They also invite Destiny. Destiny is in the UK. Make two of the con listing. I watched one video this morning. And somebody analyzed the video. It was audio recording of Eddie Murphy's wife, It's Okay, and uwalia on the phone. If I say make I play him, I go play him on the phone. I heard Eddie Murphy's wife. She said so many things. I also heard uwalia. Uwalia also said so many things. I don't know if there is an audio of Destiny telling a live video presenter what uwalia did to him. I don't. If he did, Mona, let me know. Because today is the first hearing. Today is the first hearing. Tomorrow I will still talk this matter. If possible, if they make me verse, I will talk and get to the 9 o'clock. Please, is there a video of maybe Destiny talking to either Eddie Murphy or any of all these diaspora presenters? Say, see wetin uwalia do am. Now why in the fight uwalia? Because the only one I don't see now is Eddie Murphy's wife telling uwalia on phone what Destiny is doing to uwalia. The reason why I talk this matter, I don't follow the whole matter. Now from Nigeria, we start to follow the matter. The day when my leader, Peter Ose, aka ebagua, the day when he called the meeting, the peace meeting, we actually initiated that peace meeting between uwalia and Destiny Ebagua. The day when ebagua settled me and Akobe here. And that day, now everybody pull man say, a Destiny can be uwalia or Ike. Because that time I was getting audio message from different corners. If you notice, how they talk for all these people matter. If they are looking for who to saga, nobody come in and say, I person. I don't do it with anybody. That's why Destiny cannot come in to say Tabe Nana, or Eruwala will come and say Tabe Nana. I'm in no-go area to the both of them. I'm in no-go area. Ọba ti tie me we ọmọ na mo eri ria ya re mi nu e. O ya mo eri ria ne odoji go me. No. We are going to message. We going to link to Saga. I will call you and I will warn you. To be very honest with you, I think Destiny Ebagua needs to come out. Because Destiny Ebagua, you need to come out and clear that audio. We are not fools. When we not say Nematu Wane, Ezu Wane, that day after Ebua Magba, I told myself, I said, this matter not going to end. You know why? Both of you said we shouldn't record it live. My plan was to go live on Agui, if you do here on see problem. But why Ivana went no, Eruwala said no, Destiny said no. Abba don't record. In fact, Ebo Amagba wanted us to record that thing for the whole world to see. So that our leaders that are not in that parlor that day, okay, because maybe one day, when my papa they raised us that time as kids, if we want judge, my papa will say, you judge, the other one judge. Sometimes my mom will say, we have a judge, see, when my dad always say, no. Let them express themselves. Emi no ruwe kuya ni atalo ladian. Ya ga talo ladian ne ai kineye ai ezola yabu. In all of this social media this thing, Destiny can make this problem. Gani ya mwe picture ge Destiny ladian, naked picture ge Destiny ladian. Destiny e ma ya kaswaro vie. Yeah. Different thing. Destiny was the first Nakamuladian. They naked him, they messed him up. There's nothing about here. I didn't really follow that story, but I hear where if with some other people, you have a issue with Destiny. So they were ready to come out naked to mess him up. Bloody thing can't even involve Esther Dokpai, involve Airward. Or somebody say what say audio to Monica, different things can come up. So maybe in the process of Destiny investigating who do this thing to Ram, maybe at that time, maybe somebody will come and say, maybe Destiny do ya work at the Mofigo. That's why Destiny needs to talk. You can't just ignore. What to ignore? No, you need to come out and clear yourself because if you do, especially when you na when you are those big boys, but so if women, sometimes it's shameful now because you people enjoy bringing yourselves down. On a problem, no ya mukmonu cover ne la dia, wa sell out. One naked boa. Nah. I don't know why people do it. The audio they made down now, to be very honest with you, Eruwala can send audio ni gumene. Yes, during that. Also, I showing na aro. Imana we abati. Eso boso abati oroye di mofi. Eso what de Eruwala. Eso what de banana. After listening, Eruwala forwarded that audio to me. And issue in our wrong. And you have the Mofika boy, have an issue. They had a very serious issue. You get down the audio, that is why. You know, to calm the Mofi down. And Eruwala asked me this question. He said, Abba, can I trust you? And I said, yes, go ahead. Oh, he send the. They told you that Maladia, I will not even come out for the rest of my life. If I not hear from anywhere. Because this audio already come out, and I did very sure say now Eruwala and I push this audio out to prove his innocence, to prove a point that Destiny is behind all his problem. Shogo or Eru Wala ya push it out. Or whoever forwarded the audio out. Maybe on Eru Wala na or because as at the time the crisis in the Yaro, Eru Wala Mario Jonaladia. But I'm very sure where Eru Wala or Bojona Evani Boom, where go and okay, why I love it to boo. I say things the way they are. Evani Memo Bombe a problem with for social media. Go and check. Are people that are scamming people online using charity? Check. Check. What do you mean video ni I don't reply them. There is one woman here presenters analyzer. She they do video with my name every time. There's one called Pepper Soup. They do video with my name. Dada Masses, Prophet Atiti. There are many. They want views. They just make sure about Obazee. I don't reply them. That's the only point they say Abat is fighting everybody. I don't fight everybody. I only have interest in people that are not doing the right thing. You feel insult me, it's okay, but don't use your platform to scam people all in the name of charity. The major people when they always get issue with now, maybe somebody like John Osage, Kolisi Mudia, Yosakono Holding, Ranomigo, people will be saying that they try to use, they really say they're smart. If I care as I always ignore them. So that was when I knew that there was this steady conversation between Eddie Murphy's wife, and Destiny. Because in that audio, Eddie Murphy's wife confirmed to Eru Wala on phone where any about Eru Wala a Destiny or time I am. Eddie Murphy time where a Destiny going and that's Eru Wala na be confirm in the Destiny, in the Destiny time away a matter no. Imano a matter what don't get uwala a matter wo. Don't get near where of mano call a matter or don't you wala. Imano you and I am not interested. What I am interested in is why Destiny call Eddie Murphy? Why Destiny call Eddie Murphy wife to tell them about Uwalia and Uwalia? Destiny, you get anybody? Destiny, this question is to you. I want to ask you a question, 12 now, before I will come back later. Because this matter, I go settle down and judge them. Because this madness needs to stop. What not okay? If I Uwalia, at this school, that's how they hear Uwalia. So sometimes when they hear some things, I know that they happy with them. Well, a party, my some months ago, two months ago, he went my out with me. He was not happy. He's not happy with me. I'm not happy with. So he might twice say. He might be when he may say. Later on the way, in the way I twice say. He has to realize where he not wine at him because he might go with different things now. I come up, especially Eru Wala. I'm more bug by the mafia na table ne Ivian. If I didn't I will know. I will never be a party to where I have table no matter in the because yeah, I don't wear obiomo. When I go via song. So only in Eru Wala only. Or you the way you man. I don't like it at all. You will have a problem with me. I don't subscribe to it. I don't subscribe to it at all. So yeah, it's a bunny and then you which or backfire because the man got a bunny and my camera do over here in social media, which they regretted. I'm a na came away rather bioma. And I came here with your damn bioma. There are some men that have dubious character. Where I'm you the way this speaking get this person know they behave the way Papa they behave anyhow. But this one is very cool. This one is very well behaved. So they be like that. So why it's here born or why are telling the children they are innocent, they don't know what is going on. They are innocent, they don't know what is going on. So the matter today, I mean, why I go on I want met there. I mean, even okay, the mafia got. I'm always swinging you way. Emani, bueze. This matter will still rise up. To be very honest with you, a matter of my for Destiny. Destiny will still plot to make sure we maybe Uwalia and then Uwalia will still plot. If Uwalia can plot the man, Swenny anybody with Uwalia or more Destiny again. I'm here to hear that. Well, I want you to know why I can wear Uwalia or more Destiny gear at the Murphy. What I want to wear the Murphy wear Uwalia. I don't know. But the question here today is, Destiny, whatever you did, maybe you do get a Teddy Murphy, please come out for the sake of your name and your brand. Because we are not fools. We will start to patronize your wife, Esther. Nigga, rob Esther. Because you might like come and I don't like somebody that would desperately just want to bring you down. Like me from the beginning, I told you I'm not seeing the moment Dion now issue from the beginning was when Dion lied against me and my family. When he came out to say he don't know he married me. And a true humanitarian does not lie. And the fact that he was using his platform to scam people, or in the name of foundation, charity, or you may descend. I guess I don't get many pros where, but a pros where I ask Opa okana ya aku Opa we eat the big cool Opa okana ya aku. So I ask you are my friend. I love your music and I love what you do. And the other person was Sakono Godin, the lawyer may fall out Sakono Godin. Sakono Godin or he gave job, they popular. The only way for Sakono Godin to break into diaspora traffic is to align with Dion. When I got officer Dion, yeah, rubbish, man. The Colisimudia only man may panel way, but the man like is that our copy A to Z of what Dion is doing and he's using his foundation to scam people. The Ranomigo was also selling at the card. The Ranomigo was going to Europe to do nonsense. Until a blessing no good at their way, or the blessing go, or yeah, or work on a blessing. They said different things. Okay, no, this one is not a true freedom fighter. Let me stop him. Then recently, maybe my wife said, "No, I'm not here in Boston, but I will do that." Nobody can come to me and say, "Oh man, it's very, very wrong." So please, a matter now, I can't settle any ebagua, but inaka very powerful. Inaka mama bari. Anyway, a matter now my phone ekinya eva. I mean, I hear guana or my phone ekinya eva. My phone ekinya eva. So Destiny, please, if you have any audio, no matter how way, wahala or more matter where. Giyan ni a rubbish where during that your naked saga, let me know. Me boise cool. In fact, I'll be very honest with you. I'm only memo bomb where a video me una or Destiny because of that audio ni damn your way. Maybe this my position will also change. In that damn your audio way, or man may confess the way wahala or more Destiny in your ball. He only was stopping this nonsense of way. Most of these live videos presenters were men and their lecture like kaya. Also, the son of couple at about a phone. At about a phone. Yes, he my phone because first one record. Can you may like social media? Why me play a record on one? There is no stage my mobile phone. I don't record. That's why if you call me and say hello, Abad, no record me. I say please, I don't record. If you talk again, I will block you. I don't want to hear what you want to tell me. I don't record because it is unlawful. It is a crime for you to record person and you not seek the person permission. There are some people who will call me and say, okay, can I play this message online? They will say no. I say, okay, can you send me audio? They will say no. They say, then I don't need it because it's something you cannot prove. If not, it's not where matter like but I never here where all see the why ye corporate the do especially one in way because attack but I why you plot. But the real message why send the message of anything about somebody Oma Kawe and Namani Oma Kawe, it not concern you. I am more money. I am more bo when nae. You have anyone on nae. Don't do it. Don't do it. The only time I didn't tell me Monica went away DNA was when Monica brought picture of my son and on with picture of Eladia, which is I have the video. I have the video. So she's definitely going to have a case with my son. That's a clear matter. she's definitely going to have a case with Owen, my son. You might not push her when I want to push her. Same with the amigo no where it be less. And amigo we have to prove it. And I say, hospital not here, my children birth certificate in not here, my children genotype results in there. So then, unless you are dealing with illiterate, there are or activists on social media, you must prove it. The whole of 50 years almost to come out to say, yes, I'm an ita and a prove that. That's why I always tell people, I'm not information anybody know. No way la other amiga will live video why it la no time. Oh we la no time. Don't bring that person out. Don't listen to that person. I'm not here way. Now illiterate, they always do these things. So destiny, I don't want you to look and see where you don't lad because you are my friend. You are my friend, and if maybe other one will make about benefit from his destiny. After election, destiny got America. After election, he called me to congratulate me. Well, about 1 year, I mean, 1 year, and he sent me money to appreciate me for my work. The video where my son's 1 year birthday, destiny came. You saw the video. He showed me and my family love. He spread a lot of money. But he made destiny way or Ziba Nigbegwene. I won't do it. We were wedding. Eruwaila came to show me and my family love. He got Eruwaila Ziba Nigbegwene. The reason I'm doing this is for other people to learn. It's not to embarrass them. It's not to mess them up. And from my investigation, this character with an Atiyegbena, destiny, you do more of it. Eruwaila kabo we because you can't about daughter. Eruwaila kabo tell away. Iji with uwalia owana iji ni gekino ha do e no ha wo e no omana wo nine in my home. I never hear say that Eruwaila don't do it to anybody. Destiny, if Eruwaila don't do it, please, this discussion is still open. Send me a proof. And I will come out and I will say it. But the only one I have here is your conversation. No, a conversation between Owoke Dimorphy with Eruwaila. If you listen very carefully, Eruwaila you don't mean it. Call Yima, we say mama. The only thing Eruwaila tie by way can have a destiny yet kuariana. Wala why you cool. Oh, I'm neta. I can't come out to say my way and amigo at cool. Something if you make me and amigo be on the same page tomorrow. Never say never. The only man me way and not tie against me, we can prove it. If you notice when amigo Rovira boy, he might say but no working and amigo there. He might Rovivier. My Rovira, my Rovige. You're only with face. And this issue of why saga egbene. On my door, here where Esther settle no gig a Dimorphy. Why? What will settle? What kind of nonsense settlement is that? What kind of useless settlement is that? Settlement at Monica. All the settlements ayoyowa. Because if you not settle easily like this, we now continue to the rubbish you accept. If that's what about it, forgive, yes, until you come out to say you are baby called genuinely. How can somebody come out and say, how about you are so person who said to who the hell are you? What tire? Who the hell are you? The things the person said, has it proved or prove any? Because if you settle easily, tomorrow you will still mess the person up easily. That's why I agree, mind what you say. Like again, the Dimorphy agree. We're just too demonic and evil. And I cannot understand where you ever settle there. So if you are watalo kwegbe uko, watalo mazema so mabe wobi ni dame uwa ni penuwa ni heluwa. So please, everybody want here agree say. And then the money can have a picture of Eladia. On a picture of Eladia, on a mobile bovie, or even mobile. You have a picture of a J-boy like that, the picture of Eladia. In my way, because she's an illiterate. My years course on our way, innocent. Please, going forward, Wama na agui la wo. Mind what you say. Okay, secret no ule. There's no need saying it. There's no need saying it. My bosto not good now. You do know me don't tell me say man come we wa emi and wa ule don't na. We know ya tell me kama we I block the person. So the mama ya ku meri yere. You don't like know how we give bosto kama me mama na ku abaka. Give bosto tama me mama na ku e ba so person. I won't do that. Everybody safi, go your way. I'm about there, bosto about over the alpha. I legbe. Yeah, I decide with my baby, but then I to be no wahala. You don't want me to come out to say, if no how. What you have the boy time making the answer say, I can't go to the extent of saying shit. So destiny with what I have seen. With what I have said, and I want to say thank you to Aramiya OFA. A video what thank me or say never a video, but I watched some of your videos with GIA. And Aramiya OFA, I also want you to take this message. You said some nasty things against Eddie Murphy's wife, which was also very, very wrong. Wanna change. Because they always settle later. Anyway, it's so mind what you say. So say I'm also the same, but I am better than many of you. Remember the way you do I don't do that. What I do is I expose. Expose it. What your born family may eat nowhere. What your born may eat nowhere. One may have master one buna. So this social media, so people say, Abba don't start comedy. Abba say don't frustrate a battle. Abba say don't empower a battle. Abba don't do comedy. Abba don't frustrate. Is it no better? Say I do comedy and they entertain and they laugh. Better say I can't carry person saga. I say I do saga to get views. No. I get more views. I get more national attention and global recognition when I'm doing normal content than say I talk for it don't matter. I know that I thought say I'm supported in uwalia and Destiny. But anyway, how about uwalia, Destiny? No, I cannot insult the both of them. Yet it's about uwalia yet it's about Destiny. I'm 39. Show Destiny DM or I'm not. I don't know. But what I'm saying is this. Well, or now way or my rubbish will call the person. So say hello. Epa, yeah, one name is social media, yeah, way. One way in confront the person. Confront the person. Confront somebody. Down the work, you know, they worry. You have a tear now. Hello, we're mine, give me our man now, give me our nine. Yari, you know, check a country way. It's very wrong. Very wrong. So, in my video now, in the clear in white tail, in video now, the final message in here, Gegua will be tomorrow. And this video about you just going to be 2 days because I'm too busy to talk about it now. Busy way. But I'm going to give you a final message. So, Destiny Ebagua, if you have any audio, send it to me. But so far, the only one I have is the one which was very wrong. Yeah, you see your wife, Airward, she's a wonderful woman. She has a business. You see Esther. I don't know if Esther is your legal wife. May marry, but I'm going to your way. And how maybe Esther is also a very talented singer. She's also good. You have a lot that you are doing on social media. You are into entertainment. You need peace. You need good name to promote this your people and your artists and your brand. May I leave this final message for now tomorrow. Now me way what's your matter? You want take a side, man take a side destiny. If you don't me now, boy akwe boy even pay. Ojo ni me na. Boy even pay. But do we let me know. But for now, or clear way all the things Neru Wahala go through. And I'm Neru Wahala do a day ticket here webo Tore Lila Webo Spoli you Wahala de Nigeria do have bolele yakia. It's clear where you were behind it. But Neru Wahala also you can't expose you where you can't when you are now that I don't know. In my only. But everything that Neru Wahala went through and his wife, all those young and season, say different things, say bad blood. It's clear where you were behind it. Maybe we might all those escalate 70 now, all those no 70 now. We only one night can, but when we have the Murphy year, yeah, the Murphy was saying go saga for 300 years. He go saga you for 600 years. He go saga you for 1,100 years. So, please, now, do many audio to where Neru Wahala swan send the gun. I will trace the audio. Near no swan, but the meme na one more Neru Wahala, one more la diani and nine. I also heard other things in the video. Hotel when I email on hey Wesley, you in the audio a lot of things, but I now you don't see why Wesley so about when we are cooking. But by tomorrow I will give my final verdict, and that verdict you people will learn from it. And by the grace of God, the both of you need to fly to meet each other. Do what in Boru while Amsterdam or do what in Boru at the UK or the Nigeria wana me just two of you. Emma Guayo the Wayamu Yotone. But the both of you need to meet genuinely. Not by where was one. In was one or Yame Yamone where is also person born. And that way LM was one, even though you are both of you will meet each other genuinely. And people will have to learn. Why you why on there? More first to wires for social media 2015. Why on where you wanna ya rubbish ya what about you? You can't try it. Nobody can pay me. You can't pay me to do nonsense. You can't pay me to rubbish another person. Why eternity against anybody? Just know where on is ziba. Say ibari go na ya fear na go webo. Ima like even when now going human trafficking. One woman called me one day. She said one woman called me the woman picture. I said, Madam, I have not asked for the woman's pictures. Why you sending me her pictures? I not be person when they go carry person picture, call me. Recently, get one woman for I think she's in UK now, but she they bring goods from abroad. She can't give one woman when they clear container. Make the woman help her clear container. Delay can't do the clearing. Container was supposed to come out within 1 week, can't come out like after 3 weeks. Do more rich can't even enter. They can't do. Last the container still come out. As the woman just carry her container, she just block the person with clear her number. And they so can't do plus and minus. As the person called me, I said, hope this man never enter social media. The person said no. I said, please make her talk put. Not saying I give all these people they do presenters. Some of them don't go school, they treat issues anyhow. I said, do you have the woman's number? I said the woman don't block. I said, send me the number. She can't send me the woman number. I can't send the woman message. Hello, good morning. Say, how are you? I said, my name is obazee. He said, which of the obazee? I said, yeah, the one you know. But it's only one obazee. Up back and all. Please, this one they say Destiny a bad head. Now you be the bad head. Please don't insult Destiny here. Don't insult Neru Wahala here. The reason I'm doing this is for us to learn. We need to learn. Watiembo amagba. Now many people don't do video. They call it ebagua amagba, different name. People are always fast to rubbish people. Now I have a destiny man. I have uwalia man. You saw boy anyway. I'm only waiting for Destiny to send me video from now till tomorrow. If by this time tomorrow you not send me video where uwalia swim matter now, then the Destiny are wrong. Then everybody will move on. And this will not happen again. Destiny will delete all the presenter's number from his phone. Uwalia will delete all the presenter's number from their phone. Let them move ahead. There are a lot people can do together aside gossiping yourselves. So, yeah, morning, how you day? So, you know, though, see the woman. The woman, you know, can I call you? She can't call me. Because, madam, somebody, you know, the person not report you to me, or the person feel say I will fit talk to you. You might call grand, you know, many of them for abroad, they look down on us well. Hey, Abat, they never, not call, they talk for what's not concern you. All that's what they do for social media. Not do a near where I do, not tell more. Oh, madam, but why you raise your voice now? Never is like that. She called her, I can say, madam, calm down. I won't only go to social media to post your pictures because you don't show to me and say you don't want to pay this woman. We will go legal. If you enter Nigeria, we'll arrest you. We'll take you to court. You have no right. This woman, when you block her number, so she get conversation. Why you take promise her money? Why you block after your goods come out? So I raised my voice. She said, "Go still calm down." Hey, we can't relax the matter. Come on, enter the matter. For like 3 hours. I can't put the other woman for conference call. This one, George, she don't want to say, she don't want to say you the judge the other one. The other one say, I will always support the weaker side, which was the person who cleared the goose. I told the woman, say, okay, they actually season the container. That means you for kill this woman with clear them. They actually season. What are you dragging now? 250,000. They actually season container with what millions? So what's it for? You for say me they go kill this woman. So as far as she was still able, forget the delay, forget the tomorrow, she was still able to pull your goods out. Because you very well, and special thanks to the woman. That day she paid the money. That woman because she don't send 200. I said, no worry, I will send you that 43,000. He do. I will send the balance 43,000. Which woman said, no need. I said, okay, from the 200,000 which she's saying you short, she said she's not short, but you don't make money, you don't know it's good. Not be all business again. This one you not gain, but thank God say you know a tag basic. I resolve many issues like that with the entire social media. See the way we take resolve O'Hare and that teacher. No man get her land back. She has already applied for C4. And when we go away, say no to land grabbing. So the reason I'm doing this is not to go it's for us, me and you to learn. Why in Nagbua? Why in Mwemema Yomabo? Do go on a genuine settlement, Bume a day. I will settle it without matter and social media. Make the bama. Destiny is surprised that we might debaye. Uwalia is surprised that we might debaye. But the only born and Uwalia get edge over Destiny. Because the audio over the morphine or go and me down. Uwalia get edge over Destiny. If from now to tomorrow, Destiny don't bring audio to say Uwalia swim matter now, you're more aware, you're so pesio, you're winning and now again, you're to toy, then you go Destiny or Yabi. Then I will appeal to the both of them to move on. So wait for the final judgment tomorrow, 9 o'clock. So if you are there anywhere, Destiny, I mean about to not say where. Now I feeling go with party of the I'm about to now. Oh, what the Uwalia? Don't worry, Uwalia, Madela Bat. Oh, I'm going here. Oh, we are dead disappointed in you. About no Madano. They are the real bad people. All I need is peace and unity. You know that Uwalia and Destiny can still collaborate tomorrow to do business and the both of them will make money. So Destiny, and I know you have my number. If you don't call me after this broadcast, boy, We can call him on this show where we respect him our friendship. Then we will talk. If you have any proof, we will die the matter. But I want people to learn from this matter. That is why. So see you tomorrow, same time, 9 o'clock. Bye.